Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make traditional margarita pizza. First, let's prepare our dough. Combine 500 grams of 00 flour, 10 grams of salt, 3 grams of active dry yeast, and 325 milliliters of warm water. Knead until smooth, then let it rest and rise for at least 1 hour. This crucial step develops the flavor and texture, ensuring a light and airy crust. While the dough rises, you can gather your other fresh ingredients. Now let's focus on the toppings. For the sauce, simply crush high-quality San Marzano tomatoes with a pinch of salt. Avoid cooking it, the fresh flavor is key. Gently spread a thin layer over your stretched dough, leaving about a 1-inch border for the crust. Next, evenly distribute fresh mozzarella cheese. You can use slices or tear it into smaller pieces for better melt coverage. This simple approach highlights the quality of each ingredient. With your pizza topped, it's time to bake. Preheat your oven to its highest setting, ideally 500 degrees Fahrenheit or more, with a pizza stone or steel inside. A hot surface is essential for a crispy crust. Carefully transfer your pizza onto the hot stone. It should bake quickly, usually within 5 to 8 minutes, until the crust is golden and the cheese is bubbly. Once out of the oven, scatter fresh basil leaves over the top. Your traditional margarita pizza is ready. Let it cool for just 2 or 3 minutes before slicing. This brief rest helps the cheese set and prevents it from sliding off. Slice it into 8 equal pieces and serve immediately to enjoy the perfect blend of flavors and textures. The crisp crust, tangy sauce, creamy mozzarella, and aromatic basil create a truly delightful experience. Remember to check the description below for a fantastic book recommendation and other exclusive deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.